Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session we will be studying another 8 syllables, that's from here till there. It is on page number 15 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Ghain Fatha Waw Sukun Ghaw. Ghain is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukun. Ghain Fatha Waw Sukun Ghaw. Ghain Fatha Waw Sukun Ghaw. Ghain Fatha Waw Sukun Ghaw. So the next syllable we have is Ghain Fatha Ya Sukun Ghay. Ghain is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukun. Ghain Fatha Ya Sukun Ghay. Ghain Fatha Ya Sukun Ghay. Ghain Fatha Ya Sukun Ghay. Ghaw Ghay. Ghaw Ghay. So the next syllable we have is Fa Fatha Waw Sukun Faw. Fa is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukun. Fa Fatha Waw Sukun Faw. 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 The next syllable we have is Fa Fatha Ya Sukun Fay. Fa is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukun. Fa Fatha Ya Sukun Fay. Fa Fatha Ya Sukun Fay. Fa Fatha Ya Sukun Fay. Faw Fay. Faw Fay. The next syllable we have is Qaf Fatha Waw Sukun Qaw. Qaf is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukun. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukun Qaw. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukun Qaw. Qaf Fatha Waw Sukun Qaw. The next syllable we have is Qaf Fatha Ya Sukun Qay. Qaf is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has Sukun. Qaf Fatha Ya Sukun Qay. Qaf Fatha Ya Sukun Qay. Qaf Fatha Ya Sukun Qay. Qaw Qay. Qaw Qay. The next syllable we have is Kaf Fatha Waw Sukun Kaw. Kaf is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukun. Kaf Fatha Waw Sukun Kaw. Kaf Fatha Waw Sukun Kaw. Kaf Fatha Waw Sukun Kaw. The next syllable we have is Kaf Fatha Ya Sukun Kay. Kaf is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has Sukun. Kaf Fatha Ya Sukun Kay. Kaf Fatha Ya Sukun Kay. Kaf Fatha Ya Sukun Kay. Kaw Kay. Kaw Kay. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Ghaw Ghay. Ghaw Ghay. Faw Fay. Faw Fay. Qaw Qay. Qaw Qay. Kaw Kay. Kaw Kay. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 8 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.